Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best partner K700 parts is probably one of the most important aspects to consider when it comes to maintaining your partner K700, ensuring its longevity and optimal performance. This in-depth review will explore the essential components, highlighting their functions, quality, and compatibility, empowering you to make informed decisions when choosing replacement or upgrade parts for your valuable equipment. Number 5. HURI Ignition Coil for Husqvarna. This high-quality ignition coil is designed to replace your old, worn-out one. It's a perfect fit for your Husqvarna partner chainsaw, giving you reliable starts every time. It's a non-original replacement, but it's built to the highest standards. This ensures it will perform just as well as the original part. This ignition coil is compatible with several Husqvarna partner models, including the K650, K700, K850, K950, K1200, and K1250. Check your model number to ensure compatibility. It replaces several part numbers, including 544018801, 5440188-01, 5039017-01, and 5060273-04. This makes it easy to find the right replacement for your chainsaw. Your purchase includes one high-quality ignition coil, ready to install. Everything you need is right in the box. Don't let a faulty ignition coil keep you from working. Order yours today and get back to cutting. What we like. It's a direct replacement for your old part, ensuring a perfect fit and reliable performance. Installation is a breeze, saving you time and effort. If your old ignition coil is failing, this is the perfect solution for a quick and easy fix. What people say. Perfect fit, works great. Fixed my Husqvarna concrete saw. Works fine. Concrete saw. Number 4. Husqvarna K650 Starter Assembly. This is the replacement starter assembly for your Husqvarna K650 and K700 concrete cutoff saws. It's designed for a perfect fit and reliable performance. It is simple to install. Just follow the instructions and you'll have your saw running smoothly again in no time. This is made from durable, high-quality materials to ensure long-lasting performance. It's built to withstand the rigors of daily use. It's a direct replacement for part numbers 506259503, 5062595-03. This ensures a perfect fit and hassle-free installation. It provides reliable starting power every time. Get back to work quickly and efficiently with this dependable replacement part. This starter assembly is compatible with Husqvarna K650 and K700 active partner concrete cutoff saws. Check your model number to ensure compatibility. What we like. This part is built to last, offering superior durability compared to other options. It's designed for easy use, ensuring a smooth and efficient operation. If you need a reliable and long-lasting recoil starter, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Cover with new pull start installed in about 15 minutes and works as should. Everything fit great. Fits perfect, good quality. Number 3. Partner K650 K700 Air Filter Set. This is the perfect replacement for your partner K650 or K700. It's designed to ensure optimal performance and longevity. Installation is simple and straightforward. You'll have it fitted in minutes. It's made from high-quality materials, built to last. Enjoy cleaner air and better performance. This will restore your machine's peak efficiency. Breathe easier knowing you're using the best. It's a guaranteed perfect fit for your partner K650 and K700 models. Get yours today. Don't let a clogged filter slow you down. This replacement will keep your machine running at its best. What we like. It keeps your engine clean and running smoothly by filtering out harmful contaminants. Replacing it is simple and straightforward. If you want to maintain your engine's health and performance, this is a must-have. What people say. Perfect fit. Was excellent work just like it was supposed to. Looks good and better than the dirty-ass old one I was running in my K700 Active 2. Number 2. HIFROM Partner K650 K700 Tune-Up Kit. This kit provides everything you need for a complete tune-up of your Partner K650 or K700 engine. It's designed to keep your engine running smoothly and efficiently. Each component in this kit is a high-quality replacement, ensuring optimal performance and longevity. It's a cost-effective way to maintain your equipment. This kit is designed for easy installation, saving you time and effort. All parts are designed to fit perfectly, ensuring a smooth installation process. The kit includes a new air filter, pre-filter, ignition coil, carburetor, fuel filter, and spark plug. Everything you need for a thorough engine tune-up. The air filter's dimensions are precisely designed to fit your Partner K650 K700 saw. These dimensions ensure a proper seal and optimal air filtration. The high-quality air filter effectively removes dirt, dust, and debris, protecting your engine and extending its lifespan. This keeps your engine running at peak performance. HIFROM is committed to providing high-quality products with a 3-month warranty. If you have any issues, our seller support team is ready to assist you. What we like. This kit includes everything you need for a complete tune-up, saving you time and money. It's easy to install, making maintenance a breeze. If you're looking for a convenient and affordable way to keep your machine running smoothly, this is the ideal choice. Number 1. Partner K650 700 Laser Kit. Tired of inaccurate cuts? This kit precisely aligns your saw for perfect cuts every time. It's designed for quick and easy installation. Get back to work in minutes. This kit is specifically engineered for Partner K650, K700 Active 2 and 3 concrete saws. Enjoy significantly improved cutting accuracy with this laser replacement kit. Say goodbye to wasted materials. It boosts your productivity by ensuring clean, precise cuts, saving you time and effort. It provides a clear laser line for precise and accurate cuts, leading to better results. What we like. It's made from high-quality materials, ensuring a long service life and a perfect fit for your machine. It's designed to seamlessly integrate with your existing setup. If you value quality and durability, this is the perfect option for you. What people say. Item is just like OEM part. Fit perfect. Items as described. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.